Welcome to Souped Up Recipes. Today, we're making Moo Shu pork, a simple, healthy, and delicious stir-fry. When I first ordered this dish from an American Chinese takeout restaurant, I found it very different compared to what I ate growing up in China. So I thought it would be nice to show you how it's done authentically. One of the differences is that this dish traditionally contains mu'er and huanghua cai. Mu'er is also known as wood ear mushroom. Sometimes you may see they translate it as fungus, which scares many people away. However, it doesn't have a strong taste, but you will love its crunchy texture. I am only using 8 grams for this dish because they increase a lot in volume after soaking. Dried daylily flour looks like a straw and has an earthy taste. I noticed that this package says dry lily flour, which is not accurate because this is not the lily flour that you can get from the nursery. It should be daylily, which is a different plant. Asian markets usually carry mu'er and huanghua cai in their dried produce section. If you don't have access, I'll link them in the description so you can purchase them online. For those of you who like to do the soaking one day ahead, wood ear mushrooms only take 20 minutes to rehydrate. Look, as we speak, they have already increased so much in volume, so there is no need to soak them overnight. If you do, please keep them in the fridge. If you leave them at room temperature, you risk cultivating pathogenic bacteria. Set them aside and we will prepare the pork. I'm using pork loin, but pork butt and pork belly will also work. It depends on your preference. Slice it into thin slabs, then stack the slabs and julienne the meat into thin strips. Usually, you should match the cut with the shape of other ingredients to keep the dish uniformed. But for this recipe, you can slice the meat either way because we got daylily flour and vegetable slices. Marinate the meat with half teaspoon salt, a quarter teaspoon ground white pepper or to taste, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, and a quarter teaspoon baking soda, which will raise the pH level of the meat and tenderize the pork in an amazing way. Last, 2.5 teaspoon cooking wine. You can use Shaoxing wine or rice wine. If you don't have either of them, dry sherry is a good replacement. Mix thoroughly and let it sit for 10 minutes to allow the baking soda to do its job. Meanwhile, turn the heat to high and heat a pot of water over medium heat. It takes 10 minutes for it to come to a boil. During this time, you can cut the carrot and the cucumber into thin slices. I do see lots of Chinese takeout restaurants add Napa cabbage to this dish, which doesn't ruin the recipe, but carrot and cucumber are more of the legit collocation. You will also need a few cloves garlic. Slice them thinly. The wood ear mushrooms and the daylilies should be done soaking. Take them out and discard the soaking liquid. Tear the mushrooms into bite-sized pieces. Cut the daylilies in halves. The water is boiling now. Add a big drizzle of oil. Toss in the wood ear mushroom, daylily flour, and carrot slices. Reserve the cucumber on the side. Blanch the vegetables for 25 seconds. The oil will coat the surface of the vegetable and help to retain the vivid color. Remove everything from the water and let them drain on the side. Crack 3 medium-sized eggs into a bowl. Moo Shu originally denotes sweet osmanthus, but now it's an elegant name to depict the scrambled eggs because they resemble the yellow blossoms of sweet osmanthus trees. For your reference, here is a picture. Whisk the eggs well, and you're ready to cook. Heat the wok over high heat until it is slightly smoking. Add a big drizzle of oil and swirl it around to cover the bottom. Pour in the egg. Wait 10 seconds for the egg to set. Give it a little help to let the uncooked egg run to the bottom. Break the egg into bite-sized pieces. Then remove and set it aside. Turn the heat back on high and drizzle more oil to the same wok. Add the marinated pork. Let it sear for a minute. Carefully loosen the meat strips so they don't tangle together. Continue to stir for 2 minutes or until the pork is cooked through. Add the garlic slices and stir until fragrant, which will take 20 seconds. Toss in the blanched vegetables and the cucumber slices. Quickly mix for 1 to 2 minutes. I know a lot of people are used to eating fresh cucumbers in a salad. It may look weird adding it to stir fries, but give it a try. You will be surprised with its flavor and texture. Add 1 tablespoon soy sauce from the side of the wok. You want to hear the sizzling sound. That means the soy sauce is caramelizing, and that is how you create beautiful complex flavors. Introduce the egg back into the wok along with a little touch of sesame oil. Give everything a final toss, and you're done. As always, Chinese people will serve this with white rice. We really enjoy this style of meals. You can look at it as a salad that contains a little bit of everything. You got different textures and flavors. I know some of you are probably wondering, where are the Moo Shu pancakes? Well, believe it or not, this is how it should be in China. Just a simple stir fry without the pancakes. I hope you give this a try soon. As always, the printable recipe link is in the description. Go check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more easy and authentic Chinese food. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!